Many of my students go into college for welding engineering, go into the skilled trades such as the iron workers, the pipe fitters, or the boiler makers. And so what they come to high school and what they learn out of my class can vary tremendously depending on their anticipated goals as adults.
We have credit articulation agreements with Ferris State University and Washtenaw County Community College, and we really encourage students here to build a solid work ethic. They're not just here to learn to weld, they're here to learn to work.
It actually means a lot because with Mr. Lincoln, he's encouraged me a lot to forward my skills and get better at welding. So far, I've learned to do more in just 6 months than I've learned in more kids who've been here longer than me.
I want to attend Ferris State. I plan to apply this year, and I want to do welding engineering as a bachelor's degree in applied science. After that, hopefully work into the job world and make some pretty good money doing that.